Number 17 is a word problem. So, a collection of nickels and dimes is worth $2.90. The number of dimes is one less than twice the number of nickels. How many dimes are in the collection? Well, the unknown is the number of dimes, so it's kind of natural to think to call this x. However, reading this crucial sentence here, the number of dimes is one less than twice the number of nickels, we see that the number of dimes actually depends on the number of nickels. By that I mean, if we know the number of nickels, using this yellow sentence, we can find the number of dimes. So it is more logical to introduce a variable x for the number of nickels than use this yellow sentence to have an expression for the number of dimes. So let number of nickels be x. Then we want to find actually the number of dimes, and we will use the yellow sentence. Let me actually bring that yellow sentence here. It says the number of dimes is one less than twice the number of nickels. The number of dimes means equals one less than twice the number of nickels. Well, the number of nickels is x. The number of nickels is x. Twice the number of nickels, twice will be 2 times x. Now we have 1 less than 2 times x, so that means 2x minus 1, and that would be the expression for the number of dimes. Next information that we haven't used yet is the following, is that a collection of nickels and dimes is worth $2.90. A collection of nickels and dimes means the total. All the dimes and nickels together is $2.90. Well, if the number of nickels is x, we know 1 nickel is 5 cents. So x nickels will be 5x cents. 1 dime is 10 cents, and we have 2x minus 1 dimes. So the total value of all the dimes, all 2x minus 1 dimes, will be 10 times 2x minus 1 cents. And this sentence here says all of those two together, it says all of those, these 2 together, to total is $2.90. Or actually, let me just do this. That together is $2.90 or 290 cents. Now the equation then, the total of those two means 5x together with 10 times 2x minus 1 is 290 cents. And to solve this, first we will multiply this, distribute this. 5x plus 10 times 2x is 20x. 10 times minus 1 is minus 10 equals 290. Then we'll combine 5x and 20x, which will give us 25x minus 10 is 290. To isolate the x's, we will add 10 on both sides. Which will give us, let's continue here. Well, of course, 10 will go away. And we will get 25x equals 290 plus 10, which of course is 300. Then to isolate the x, we will divide both sides by 25. So x will be 300 divided by 25, which is 12. Well, it's important to read what the actual problem asks. They ask us to find how many dimes are in the collection. But x is the number not of dimes, x is the number of nickels. So 12 nickels. And to find the dimes, we're going to go there, here. The number of dimes is actually 2x minus 1. So we're going to have 2x minus 1 equals 2 times 12 minus 1, which is 24 minus 1, or 23. That now will be number of dimes. And the answer hence will be A, 23.